So today we will talk about rules, some rules for drawing graph.
দলিলটা দেখ যার নাম্বার কত আছে দেখ। দলিলে লেখা আছে যার নাম্বার কত, প্রথম দিকে স্টার্টিং এ দেখি, স্টার্টিং এ লেখা আছে।
So let's suppose we have y equals to f of x
ও চারটে দলিল আছে
equals to
ঠিকই আছে,
suppose
দলিলেই হবে।
x. Let's start with simple example. So the first rule is you set up the axis. Okay, this is y and this is x. First set up the axis. Okay, then after that set the maximum and minimum value of x. So here the minimum value will be minus infinity. Y can be minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, and x can also be to plus infinity. Then if it is a repeating curve like sine or something, you take the third step will be taking the repetitive, seeing that if there is something repetitive. But what else? This is not repetitive, so plot some values. Suppose x equals to minus 1, 0, 1. For x equals to minus 1, y will also be the same. If x is minus 1, y is also minus 1. X is 0, y is 0, so straight line this will be like this. Okay, this you all should know and you all know also. Then after this, let's take f of x equals to mod x. Now mod x. So how can we write mod x? Mod x is x for x greater than equal to 0 and minus x for x less than 0. Suppose we have x equals to 1 and mod x equals to x equals to 1. If x equals to minus 1, mod x equals to minus x minus 1. Okay, so how do we first set up the axis? Second, look for the values. So if x is 1, mod x y equals to mod x is also 1. 0, 0, minus 1, then this is also y is also 1. So this, and if you plot more values, it will be like this. Okay, so after this,
তাহলে একটা কাজ করি, বুঝি কবে আসবে।
let's take sin x. Okay, so in sin x I will show you how to see. First step is set up the axis. Okay,
আমাকে দিলে আমি পুরো করে বলে দিতে পারবো। হ্যাঁ চারটেই চারটে দলিল তার দলিল উল্টে পাঠিয়ে দিলে তো
set up the axis. Okay, then okay, then look for the maximum and minimum value. So here first write the range. So here x's range is minus infinity to infinity.
शोन
So y का x का डोमेन, so y का रेंज होगा,
ना
but
डोरिले
y range is from
না ডোরিলে যে চারটে ডোরিলে যদি চারটে জেরক্স থাকে হ্যাঁ
minus 1 to
অরিজিনালটা নিয়ে ঘোরাঘুরি করার দরকার নেই ওই চারটে ডোরিলের জেরক্স চারটে আর দুটো
x is minus infinity to infinity means here x can take values from minus infinity to plus infinity and y can
জেরক্স পাঠাই
give output from minus 1 to 1.
জিনিস চারটে ডোরিলে চারটে জেরক্স কিনা না একটা চারটে
So this says that we have values all over the real line axis, and for y minus 1 to 1 is that the curve will give a value from 1 to minus 1. Okay, not more than this, but less than this. Okay. Now plot the values. So let's suppose this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Same here, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2. Okay. Now, what is the value of sine pi by 2? Sine 90 is 1, 0. So again, we start from here to here, and this is minus 1. So do one thing, make a grid like this. So see, the repetitive, it should repeat. So this point have come here, it should again repeat like this. So you plot the same graph over here. Okay, this is repetitive. This repeats itself after. So from 0 to 2 pi, sine repeats itself. After 0 to 2 pi, sine again repeats. So this graph is same as this graph. See, 0 to 2 pi, minus 2 pi to 0. So after every 2 pi, this sine always repeats. One very good measure to use at this point for drawing graphics, always make sections. First, see, first do like this. Okay, make like this, then like this. Okay, and so at every point and 0 so maxima, minima, you draw the lines. Okay, after that at every point you draw a line. So you make sections like this. So it will be here and it is like this. This is how you draw the sine. Now let's draw 10. 10 x is equal to sine by cosine. Okay, so tan 0, tan 0 is 0, 0 by 1 0, tan pi by 2 equals to 1 by 0, undefined. Okay, tan pi, tan pi is sin pi is 0, 1 equals to 0. Okay, then tan 3 pi by 2 down to 1. So what are the steps? First, take the curve x, y, x size 1. Okay, put the values 0, 5, 19, 5, 3, 2, 8, similarly. Now, say that x can take value, but what tan x can give the range is also minus infinity. See, undefined, that is we write as minus infinity to infinity. So now, first what you do, then make that for this type of recurring graphs you should draw, should make like this type of address. This type of columns you should know. Then it will be easier to draw the curve. Okay. Now, what is tan 0 is 0. Tan pi by 2 is undefined. Excuse me. Okay. So, it is in positive plus. So, it comes like this. Okay. It never touches this. Okay. And then minus pi by 2. So, tan minus pi by 2. Do and plus pi by 2 cos minus pi by 2. Okay. So this from sine it minus comes out. Sine pi by 2 is 1 and cos of minus x is cos x. So no, but sine of minus x is minus sine x. Okay, so it comes here. So it goes minus infinity. Okay, so it goes minus infinity. So it will go like this. Minus infinity. And similarly, it also does the same way. Now see, according to why the graph is not continuous at pi by 2. See the tan x is not continuous. In pi by 2 only it has, from left side if we go, it has plus infinity. From right side if we come, it has minus infinity. So both have two values. That's why this is not continuous. But here it is continuous. And left side or right side if you come, 0 is the value. But here two values exist at similar point. So it is not continuous as well. Thank you.